I've been trying to capture a fucking city bus in front of this building called the 88. And I'm not able to capture because something is in my way or I don't get the shot on time. Try to do it again. Or the bus just moves too fast. And I don't have the trail lights in the frame. So I am trying this at a number of different shutter speeds, as you can see. F11, 2.5. But if you guys want to see how sharp this is, look how sharp that is. That is buttery, sharpy, smooth. Lots and lots of details. Long exposures early in the morning. Yes, long exposures early in the morning. Lots of detail. Look at that. Beautiful. So, I am using a Zonmate variable ND filtered 8 stop. It's at 8 stops. Crop sensor A77 Mark II, Sigma 1835. Got the newer monitor, which is by far very impressive. Check this out. I don't need to use focus peaking on the camera from Sony. I can use the focus assist on the monitor, and I found this to be a little bit better and accurate. So I like how this actually helps me out with getting my images really sharp, really good, nice and detailed. And this is the newer F100. So really like how this monitor is really, really sharp and really bright. Look how bright this is during the day. So no problems viewing it. So I think I'm done. I'm just going to give up right now. It's not possible to get the trail lights unless it's in a dark environment. This is very lit. So other than that, just want to show you guys that I do some morning long exposure photography. I shoot between f4, 3.2 and 2.5 in 2 seconds, between f9 and f11, ISO 100. I do use a variable ND filter, wide angle lens, 18 to 35 Sigma Arts, just to let you guys see that. And I am using a ball head, a Manfrotto 190 Go tripod, a newer F100 1280 by 800 IPS HD display, which is very sharp and very clean. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, please support the channel by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification button to see more content, and share the content, and leave me a comment down below what you want me to shoot next. So this is architecture and long exposure photography. But with that said, if you want to support the channel, there's a PayPal link down in the descriptions below. But with that said, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.